Patna Medical College and Hospital. Patna Medical College and Hospital is one of the oldest and most prestigious government medical institution in India. Its origins date back to 1874 when it was established as a temple medical school. It was later upgraded and formally inaugurated in 1925 as the Prince of Wales Medical College, eventually become PMCH. Over the decades, it has evolved into a premier center for medical education and healthcare in eastern India. Located on Lok Ashok Rajpath along with the southern bank of the Ganges River in Patna, PMCH enjoys a central location with easy accessibility. The situation is affiliated with the Bihar University of Health Science and recognized by the National Medical Commissions. Its strategic location contributes to its consistently high patient inflow, which enhances clinical training for the students. PMCH is widely known for its massive patient load and extensive clinical exposure. The hospital has more than 1,700 beds, along with the larger emergency unit known as the Indira Gandhi Central Emergency. The outpatients department handles thousands of patients daily, making it one of the busiest hospitals in the region. This provides students with significant hands-on experience across a wide variety of medical cases. Accidentally, PMCH offers a comprehensive range of undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma and super specialty programs. The MBBS course is highly sought after and admissions are conducted through the national level entrance examination. Postgraduate program included MD, MS and super specialty course in multiple disciplines. The infrastructure at PMCH includes lecture hall, laboratories, hostel and central library and numerous clinical overcrowding and outdated facilities. To address these issues, a large-scale redevelopment project has been initiated to transfer PMCH into a modern world-class medical facility. The redevelopment plan aims to significantly increase bed capacity, introduce advanced infrastructure including modern building, improving emergency services and a better connectivity. Once completed, PMCH is expected to become one of the largest hospitals globally. One of the greatest strengths of PMCH is its clinical exposure, which prepares students effectively for a real-world medical practice. Despite challenges related to infrastructure and management, ongoing improvements are expected to enhance its overall functioning. Last but not the least, PMCH remains a cornerstone of medical education in Bihar and Eastern India. Its rich history and extensive clinic training opportunity and modernization efforts make it highly respected institution.